In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the quick login feature on Roblox on a console. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, quick login is very useful because it allows you to use your phone or anything like that to basically scan a QR code and then log into your console from your phone. So this works on any console. I'll be doing this on a PS5. So all you want to do is open up Roblox. Once you open it up, you're going to see two options: create account or sign in. So obviously, if you want to sign into your account, press sign in right here. And then what you want to do is, instead of typing your username or password, and let's say if you forgot your password or something, you can do the QR code login where it says scan this QR code from your logged in device's camera. And you're also going to see quick sign in on the bottom where it says open your Roblox app and go to more page, quick sign in to enter your code. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. So you want to open up Roblox on your phone, go to more on the bottom, and then what you want to do is go to quick sign in, which is right at the bottom, and then you have to enter the code from that device. So I'm going to enter that code right now on my phone, and then all you got to do is press enter, then confirm login. Once you go ahead and do that, it's going to be logging in. And as you can see, it just logged in for me on my Roblox account, and I can continue playing as much as I want on anything I want. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other videos on the channel as well.